The police marine team scoring the leg for any survivors. On this team are specialist divers who have been using rope.
The number of people was too big. The boat was small in size. It is fishing boat. It is not even for the transport.
And I would think it would be difficult to manage people who are going for a match. They are excited. They have also taken in some alcohol, and then there are many in a boat.
As we were going, the boat was keeping rotating, losing the balance, just going upside down like that. And then many people inside the boat, they were shouting that, please, pilot, take us, at least take us to the shores.